Hello guys, you are watching hichem-tech, and in this tutorial I will show you 3 ways to bootable your USB drive. Number 1, using Rufus. To do it with Rufus, just open it up. Then, select your USB drive, File System, and write a volume label. Then, select your ISO file. Now, click on Start. Wait for the progress. Now, let's verify our bootable device. As you can see, our bootable device was created successfully. Number 2, Win32 Disk Imager. It's easy to use it, just select your ISO file and your USB drive, then, click Write. Now wait for the progress. Note, this software has special function that it can open up IMG file. Number 3, Poweriso. Open up Poweriso, then, go to Tools, then, click on Create a bootable USB drive. Now just select your ISO file, and your USB drive. Then select your file system, and click Start. Wait for the progress. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe for more videos. For any ideas or questions, just contact me on Twitter or Facebook.